Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a professional logo for free using Canva in just 2 minutes. No design experience needed. Step 1. Start a logo design. First, head over to canva.com and log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Once you're in, click on Create a Design and select Logo from the list. This opens up a blank canvas, perfectly sized for logo design. Step 2. Choose a template. Next, you'll see a bunch of templates on the left side. You can choose a template that fits your style, or start from scratch by selecting a blank design. Templates are a great starting point, especially if you're short on time. Step 3. Customize your logo. Click on any text or element to change your brand name or color. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand identity. Then, replace icons or graphics with something that represents your business. Canva has a huge library. Just search what you need. Some are free, for others you have to unlock the Pro package. Step 4. Align and polish. Now clean up your layout. Use Canva's built-in alignment tools to center your design and balance all elements. Make sure it's readable at both small and large sizes. That's key for a good logo. Step 5. Download your logo. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for web or SVG if you're using Canva Pro and want to scale your logo. Also, for transparent backgrounds, you'll need the Pro version. And that's it. Your logo is ready in just a few minutes. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy design tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want a Canva tutorial on something else. Thanks for watching.